Today we are having a sushi mukbang for you guys. Do you see how delicious all of this stuff looks? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat. So thank you so much to Sushiholics for inviting us and providing all this yummy sushi for us. I will leave all of their info down here somewhere and also in the description box, so be sure to check them out and follow them on Instagram. Do you have anything to say?
No, I'm starving.
I think he's shy. Wanna start with oysters? We'll get oysters. Show them.
Hey, why do you have to take the big ones? I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. Can you guys see? Cheers. But what should we start with?
I love this part a lot. It's like the muscle part.
I'm gonna start with the VIP salmon. I'm gonna show you. Have the VIP salmon here. So what's in the sauce? Like they have this like special sauce. It's so good. So good. That's like
Try to get the recipe.
They're known for the VIP salmon and VIP tuna, and I believe the rolls also have that sauce, right? That's good. Fried stuff. You wanna go to the fried stuff? So this one is their jalapeno, what is it called? Holic bombs. So it has jalapeno, spicy tuna, and cream cheese. Ew. What? Don't be providing false information.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, mama! Some sriracha. I wish we had mics so you guys can hear the crunchiness.
I mean, I was too louder, but I don't know. Louder people over there. You always do that.
Looks good.
So good.
I love this sauce. They put a lot of sauce on their stuff, which I love.
Saucy.
We love things saucy.
Happy baby right now. I got it.
Shrimpo.
That's the shrimpo.
What does he have in there? Let's see, we'll find out, I guess. Shrimp. Shrimp and crab meat. Like makeup. It's good too.
Food coma.
You eat the shell? Oh yeah, Raks eats everything. That's good. Alright, should we dig into the rolls? I don't, that's Dookie?
That's Baja.
Baja?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try one of it.
No, this is Dookie, the rainbow looking one. Oh no, this is rainbow. Alright. Let's see. Ready? You're gonna try?
Born ready.
Stop it off. Saucy.
Big bites, big bites.
What does it have in there? What's that? Is that shrimp? No. Oh, crab meat.
That's not chocolate. That's honey crab sticks in there. It's really good. Next bite.
This one right here is a California roll with deep fried langostino or crawfish, crayfish.
I love these little things.
They're good. We love sushi. We eat it like every week.
And once or twice a week. So overwhelmed.
I know. Albacore. Their albacore is really good. It has like pepper. Do they sear it? Yeah.
Yeah.
They sear it, which means like, you know, the torch thing. And they put some black pepper all over. So good.
They put the seasoning, the peppers and everything, then sear it. That's how I did all that. That's how I make the Cajun salmon. Cajun albacore.
Oh.
Remember?
Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try this one is what? Dookie?
Yeah.
The Dookie roll. This one has spicy crab meat inside. You want to show them a close-up? Maybe the one that's not falling apart. Get the big one right here. Ooh, look at that. Cheers. Oh my god. So good.
This is I think it's soy mustard.
It's so good. Holy crap. Oh no. My fish fell out.
This sauce is good on sashimi salad.
You're overwhelmed? Let's go back to...
I kind of want to save the
I know we're gonna eat one though right now. Popcorn.
This right here is element.
So I like my uni with a little bit of soy sauce, just a little bit.
I like mine.
And then some sriracha. So freaking good, you guys. And it's expensive. Uni is expensive.
I might go catch some uni in LA. My friend showed me a spot. I'm gonna try to get it without dying.
Speaking of uni, I almost died when I was younger. They attacked me, so now I eat them. I was in Indonesia, and I was swimming in their ocean, and their ocean is not cleaned up like, I mean, at their beach. At their beach, and their beach is not really cleaned up like how it is in the US here. So what happened was I was swimming, and I guess there was a sea urchin, and it just shot up at me, and I passed out. I blacked out. Next thing you know, I woke up in like a little I woke up in a what is it, like a clinic? In a clinic type thing, and they were like hammering my feet.
Yeah, this is spikes. I guess I shot up the spikes with the toxins into the bottom of the boat.
And people can die. You guys can look it up on YouTube. Like, dang. I asked you guys to ask us questions, so we're gonna answer them for you guys. How did you guys meet? I think we already talked about it so many times, but we were co-workers at like a seafood boil restaurant.
Boiling crab.
It was love at first sight, you guys. Like, two people asked, how do we meet? And then someone asked, do you get lip fillers? Love you, by the way. Love you too. No, I don't. I just overline my lips a lot. That's the secret. What else? Do you want to choose a question? Oh, a lot of people are asking if we're planning on having another baby soon.
In about maybe like 2 years.
2 to 3 years. I think we talked about this before too. But I know not everyone watches every single video. So 2 to 3 more years. We're hoping to have another one.
I miss my cadence.
I know, we miss Cadence. She's been sleeping over at her grandma's house since last night. And I'm so attached to her, like...
But when she's around, she drives her crazy.
Someone asked, what is one Cambodian dish you cannot eat? Do you have one?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
Well, for both of us.
I eat everything, so for her, I don't think she likes some of the pork.
Yeah, there's different ones, and then some are like fishier than others, and I don't really like the super fishy ones. Let's try this rabbit eye.
The real
I like the
This is
I like a lot of them. There's just some, but they're
rabbit's eye. No rice, spicy crab, avocado, and avocado.
that's good. You guys ever fight? If so, about what? Of course we fight. Yeah, fortunately we just fight about dumb things. It's not really fighting, it's like more bickering.
Yeah.
Me, really? See, here we go. Here we go. This is how he starts a fight.
I like to pick a fight.
No, but seriously though, like, of course we fight like any other couple, but it has been like less and less as like years goes by. Cause you know, like, we learn from every fight, which is good. But what? Huh? But this one doesn't learn. Just kidding. How do you keep a healthy relationship? Communication. Respect. Respect is a big thing. Sometimes you just gotta
bite your tongue.
discipline them. I'm just kidding. Alright.
I'm slowing down.
Me too. You know what? When we talk forget to eat your food.
It's mine, right?
You can have it.
I'm just kidding.
You can have it.
Oh, that's a trick.
Dang, a lot of you guys are asking about kids. Okay, I don't even know if we should be answering this in public, but you know. Did Raks ever taste your breast milk? We'll explain in another video, like story time maybe or something. But right now we're out in public. But yes, he has. It's sweet. Yeah, it is.
She made me. She forced me.
It was an emergency. Like, it wasn't no, you offered. No, he actually offered and I felt weird. I was like, no, like, don't do it. And then, yeah.
Okay, next.
Thank you. Next. What is something that bothers you of each other? Enjoy watching you both. Thank you. Okay, one thing that I can really think of right now is that Raks doesn't throw away empty stuff. Like, say his lotion is empty, it'll just be there until I throw it away.
No, I use it. She throws it when there's like a quarter left. There's a difference.
No, there's other things. Like his vape juice is empty since like 2 years
Except for
ago.
no. I just forget about this.
Everything. What about me? What bothers you?
Her high pitched voice when she's like, when I say, why are you angry? I'm talking to her. She sounds so annoyed and everything. I'm not mad. That's annoying. But you know, I learned it too much.
I'm full.
Yeah, that's more. So, no filter.
No filter, what do you mean? Well, when Raks, I get it now. I think my brain is slow when I have coupon.
Right. This one's a special one. What is ours?
I'm recording, right? Alright guys, so that's it for our sushi mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We did not finish it, but don't worry, we didn't waste the food. We are bringing it home. I'm so full. Are you full? But again, you guys, don't forget to check out Sushi Holics. They are located in West Covina, California. So if you live around the area or if you're ever around the area, then be sure to check them out. They also have an Instagram. They post pretty often on there. And their pictures will definitely make you drool. So definitely check them out. I will leave their Instagram handle right here and also down in the description box below. And let them know that you guys found them through us. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for watching. We love you guys and we'll see you guys on our next mukbang. Bye!